The Aayam comani is a truly remarkable breed of chicken from Indonesia, known for its striking all-black appearance, inside and out. This unique look comes from a genetic condition called fibromelanosis, which gives them their dark feathers, skin, and even bones. Originating from Java, these birds hold a special place in Javanese culture, often associated with spiritual significance. Despite their eerie look, they are surprisingly friendly and docile. With a lifespan of 6 to 10 years, they thrive on a diet of standard poultry feed, grains, and greens, preferring warmer climates like their tropical homeland. Hens lay cream-colored eggs, producing around 60 to 100 per year, and are known to go broody. Their meat is considered a delicacy in Southeast Asia, and in Western countries, they are prized as exotic pets, often costing hundreds or even thousands of dollars. The Aayam comani isn't just a chicken. It's a symbol of mystery and allure, captivating anyone who encounters them.